Good morning, children. Today we are going to start exercise 10.3. 10.2 is over, and I hope you have completed your notebook also. Complete your notebook of all subjects regularly because any day you will be asked for the notebook to submit for your internal marks. So do it regularly. So now let's start the exercise 10.3. In 10.3, we are going to use two formulas which are very much important to you, and this you know already. So let's revise it. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, which is also known as width. So length into breadth is the area of given rectangle, and area of square is equals to side into side, because we know in square there is no length, no breadth, all the sides are equal, therefore it is side into side only. Now let's start with the question 1 of exercise 10.3. Find the areas of the rectangles whose sides are given here, and we have to find out the area of the given rectangle. So we in this question we have to simply put the formula and substitute the value, and then you can find out the answer. First one is 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So as you know, always the length of the rectangle is longer as compared to breadth. So here 3 and 4, which one is the greater digit? 4, of course. So length is 4 centimeter and 3 is your breadth. Now area of rectangle is length into breadth. This is the formula you have to write in every question. Now substitute the value. Length is 4, breadth is 3. So 4 3s is 12. 12 centimeter square. This way you have to write the unit. Always area of any given figure is in square centimeter, square unit, square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, like that. Okay, so don't forget to put the square as well as this unit. Now let's do one by us. Question number D. B and C is easy, that you can do by your own. D is 2 meter and 70 centimeter. 2 meter is the length, of course, because it is greater than your 70 centimeter. So length is 2 meter, breadth is 70 centimeter. So centimeter can be converted to meter. So we know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So 70 centimeter when divided by 100, it will be 0 to 0 cut, 0.7 meter. This is the conversion of centimeter to meter. Now put the formula. Area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. Now length is what? 2 meter, and breadth is what? 0.7 meter. So for multiplication, ignore this point, just simply multiply. 2 multiply 7 is 7 2s are 14. So write down 14 first. Then you can see after one digit, that is 7, this is your decimal point. So in the answer also, after one digit you have to put the decimal point as 1.4 meter square is your area of the given rectangle. Clear? So this way you have to solve and do the question number 1. I'm not going to send the PDF of this. You have to directly pause the video and copy these things into your fair book. Now the next question is find the area of the squares whose sides are. Here they are asking for area of square. That means they will be giving only one measurement, and that is your side. So here the first is 10 centimeter. So area of square, you have to write down the formula, that is side into side, and now put the values, that is 10 into 10. So 10 tens is 100 centimeter square or square centimeter. This way also you can write, or you can write as 100 centimeter square. In both the way you can write down the answer. Rest two are there that you can do by your own. Now the question number 3 is the length and breadth of 3 rectangles are as given below. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest? It is very simple. First you have to find out the area of individual rectangles. 3 rectangles measurement are given, that you have to solve and find out the area of the 3, and then by comparing those area you can find out which one is the largest and which one is the smallest one. So that is purely based on the formula only. That's why I'm not solving it. You can solve by your own. Now question number 4. The area of a rectangular garden 50 meter long is 300 square meter. So what they are saying, 50 meter long, that is length is 50 meter. And 300 square meter is what? Area of rectangular garden is 300 square meter. What we are supposed to find? Find the width of the garden. We have to find the width. So first we will write down the given which is the question. Always remember, you are supposed to write down the given of the question. Then given I have written, length is given, area is given, and width we have to find. Now write down the formula. Area of rectangular garden is equals to length into width or breadth, isn't it? Now length is 50 meter. Width I have to find. Area is also given as 300 square meter or meter square. Width just I have to find. So whatever you are supposed to find, we have to keep it that thing on one side, that is left hand side of equal to, and other things on the right hand side. 300 is here, width is separated, so this 50 will go in the denominator like this. 300 will be divided by, denominator means it will go in the division. Now cancel it. 5 ones are 5, 0 to 0 cut, 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. I'm not cutting down, but you have to do. So 5 6 are 30, that means 6 meter is the width. Okay, so this way you can find out the width of the garden. In the final statement also you have to write the width of the garden is 6 meter. Okay, this way you can find out. Suppose here width is given, length is not given. So similar way you can solve. In the place of width, just put that value, and here in the place of width you have to write down the length and find it out, and then write the final statement. Now the question number 5 is, what is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land 500 meter long and 200 meter wide? Be very much clear that whatever is given in the question, read and immediately write it down. Like 500 meter long is there, that means length is 500 meter. 200 meter wide, that is width is 200 meter, and then move forward. At the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter, this value will be used in the later part of the question, that's why I am not writing. So in this question, two parts are there, that is hidden. They are asking for cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land. So for tilling, first we should know what is the area of that land. Then only we can find out how much money is to be paid for tilling the whole piece of land. So first you have to find out the area of rectangular plot. What you have to find? Area of rectangular plot, that is length and multiplied with width. Length is 500 meter, width is 200 meter. Correct? Length 500, width 200. Now we know 5 2s is 10. 5 2s are 10, and then 4 zeros are there, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Now put the commas accordingly. So this is your 1 lakh square meter what? Area. This is your area of rectangular plot. Now here you have end up with the first part of the question. Second part, they are asking for the cost of tilling of rectangular plot. So first you have to write down cost of tilling rectangular plot for 100 square meter. 100 square meter equals to 8 rupees. You can see this at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. Per 100 means 100. Per means 1. We know all this thing. This we have done in 10.1 also. So per 100 means 100 square meter is cost is rupees 8. So cost of tilling rectangular plot for how much? 1 lakh square meter equals to how many rupees? Isn't it? So we have to cross multiply. This will be multiplied here. 1 lakh, 5 zeros, multiplied with 8, and this 100 will come down. 2 zeros, 0 to 0 cancel. 8 ones are 8. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. 3 zeros are there. That is 8,000 rupees. So in the final statement you will write, therefore the cost of tilling rectangular plot of land is equals to 8,000 rupees. This way you have to do. Two parts are there. See, this is the first part where you are finding the area, and from the second part you are finding the cost of tilling. Clear? Now we have reached to the last question of today's video, that is question number 6. Remaining questions we'll be doing in the next part. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. 2 meter is longer one, so in the answer you can say, if length longer and shorter two measurements are given, so it is length and breadth. So length is what? 2 meter, and breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter when converted to meter, it can be written as 1.50 meter. Okay. Now what is its area in square meters? Square meters they are asking. That means both the values should be converted to meter only. One was in centimeter, that should be converted to meter. Now write down the formula of, as you can see, two values length and breadth are there. That means it is a rectangle. So area of rectangular tabletop is equals to length into breadth. Okay, length is what? 2 meter and breadth is 1.50 meter. So 1.5 is what? 1.5. 1.5 when multiplied with 2, it will give 3 meter square, that is 3 square meter. This is your answer. So area of rectangular tabletop is 3 square meter. Final statement you can write like this: area of rectangular tabletop is equals to 3.0 square meters. Understood? This way you have to go solve the problem sums. Write down the given value which is there in the question, put the formula, substitute the values, do the calculation, and finally the concluding statement of the answer. I hope these questions are clear. Do the remaining questions by your own. I'll be sending you the solutions of that, and from question 7 onwards we'll be doing in the next video. Thank you.